Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LINU. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, by far the biggest volume this chart has had for a very long time, and a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level of support. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 285. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 285, by no means am I saying everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above 285, that would be a huge sign of power on the bull's part going forward. Next level of support after that would be down here at this consolidation area at $2.40. So 285, 240, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that is where the purple line comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're somebody that's sitting there saying, look, Clay, I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the health of the move. This right here being the move. So how do you gauge the health of that? Again, watching that purple line as the purple line itself moves higher and higher. As long as the price stays above it, then from the big picture perspective, the health is fully in the bull's favor any way you look at it. So very cut and dry, but a very effective way to just kind of gauge the overall trend. Again, staying above the purple line, trend fully in the bull's favor. What about areas of resistance? Pretty straightforward at this point in time. The party stopped today officially right up there around the $3.30 mark. So 330, public enemy number one going into tomorrow. But all in all, any way you slice it, nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls start to go through health consolidations and build higher bases? Only time will tell, but it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.